Hello YouTube, Namaste Cubers here, back with another video, and today we are going to talk about cubing notations. So without further ado, let's get started. What basically notations are? These are alphabetical representations which are used to denote different moves that can be performed in a Rubik's Cube. These also combine to make algorithms, and further algorithms help you to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's learn how many notations and what type of notations are there. The first notation is R, which means to turn the right side of your cube clockwise like this. This move is denoted by a capital R. However, if we add a I in front of it or an apostrophe, it becomes R prime, which means to turn the right side of your cube anti-clockwise like this, one time only. Similarly, on the left side, capital L means to turn the left side of your cube clockwise. And if we add an I or an apostrophe, it becomes L prime, making it to turn anti-clockwise like this. The next notation is U, which denotes the upper side of your cube. Capital U means to turn it clockwise one time. And if we add an I in front of it, U prime means to turn it anti-clockwise. The next notation is D. D means to turn downside of your cube clockwise. And D prime means to turn downside of your cube anti-clockwise. The next notation is F. F means the front side of your cube. F means to turn the front side of your cube clockwise one time. F prime means to turn the front side of your cube anti-clockwise. Here B means to turn the back side of your cube clockwise. And B prime means to turn the back side of your cube anti-clockwise. If we add 2 in front of all these notations, it becomes to turn these sides 2 times. For example, R2 means to turn right side 2 times, L2 means to turn left side 2 times, U2 means to turn upper side 2 times, D means to turn down side 2 times, F2 means front side 2 times, and B2 means back side 2 times. So the next category of notations is wide notations or small letter notations. The first notation is small r. Small r means to turn the right face of your cube as well as the middle layer together clockwise. This is small r. And if we add an small r prime, it is like this. Small r2 means to turn it 2 times like this, and it is also denoted by adding a W in front of capital letters. Similarly, small l means to turn the left face of your cube as well as the middle layer together clockwise, and small l prime means to turn these two layers anti-clockwise. Similarly, small u means to turn the upper two layers clockwise and small u prime anti-clockwise. D means to turn the last two layers of your cube anti-clockwise, small d prime, and clockwise, small d. Similarly, F means to turn the front face of your cube as well as the top middle layer clockwise, and small f prime anti-clockwise. Hereby in the B, small b means to turn the front middle layer and the back layer anti-clockwise. This is small b prime, and small b means to turn it clockwise. The next category is slice moves. There are 3 types of slice moves. Those are M, S and E. M means to turn the middle layer of your cube, which is this, clockwise. And if we say M prime, it means to turn it anti-clockwise. Similarly, S means to turn the front middle layer of your cube anti-clockwise. This is S prime. And if we turn it clockwise, this is S. E means to turn this middle layer, this one, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this was our today's video. Stay tuned and do not forget to like, subscribe and share.